Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, select this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, click on Files section. Now you can tap on Audio at the top. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to find your file in one of those categories. Wherever you decided, after locating the one that you wish to attach, hold it. And last but not least, click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video one, tap on Gallery instead of Files. Click on your video right away over here, or select Folders in order to access Gallery section. Then tap on your video over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!